In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expire all user passwords in Salesforce organization. Before we jump in, here's what this action does and why you might use it. Expiring all user passwords forces every user in your org to set a new password the next time they sign in. It's a powerful security reset, often used after policy changes, team transitions, or as part of a periodic security review. You'll need administrative permissions to do this, and it's best to plan for a short window when users are prepared to update their passwords. Let's get started. First, click the gear icon in the top right corner of Salesforce and select Open Advanced Setup. Depending on your interface or edition, this may simply be labeled Setup, but the idea is the same. You're opening the administrative settings area where you can search for specific security controls. Once you're in the setup area, use the search bar to find the right setting. Type Expire all passwords and select the result that appears. This takes you directly to the page where you can trigger a global password expiration without digging through multiple menus. Using the search is the fastest, most reliable way to get to this option. On the Expire All Passwords page, you'll see a simple checkbox labeled Expire all user passwords. Check that box, then click Save. When you save, Salesforce immediately marks every user's password to expire, which means the next time anyone logs in, they'll be prompted to create a new one. There's no separate confirmation screen after you save, so be sure you're ready before you check that box. A few notes to help you manage the impact smoothly. This change affects active users who authenticate with Salesforce passwords. If your organization uses single sign-on, the experience may differ, because authentication may be handled by your identity provider. Either way, communicate the change to your users in advance so they know to expect a password reset prompt. Remind them of your password standards, and be prepared for an increase in support requests right after the change. It's wise to schedule this during low-traffic hours and make sure you or your help desk are available to assist anyone who gets locked out. Once saved, the expiration is in effect immediately. Users will be guided through the standard password reset flow the next time they try to sign in. If you need to do this again in the future, repeat the same process. And there you go. That's all it takes to expire all user passwords in your Salesforce organization quickly and safely.